What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna be catching, filleting, and cooking channel catfish. Hey guys, I'm editing the video right now. We were fishing for catfish, but then we just ended up cooking bluegill, so we're catching, cooking, and filleting bluegill. Something a little new, but just kind of felt like doing it. Let's get right into the video. So we got the rods, the cooler, tackle boxes, and we got hot dogs. So we're gonna head to the boat, hopefully catch something. We're at Lake Jacomo.
Oh, there's so many fish.
There's some carp.
Oh, those carp are massive. Hi. And I'll be off hot dogs?
Yes, I do. I would love a hot dog.
Yeah. Make sure you go that way. And Lincoln, you go that way.
I kind of meant to troll this. That's not what I had in mind. We switched to a bass boat.
You're going to cast that thing by these trees.
One eternity later.
So far, I haven't gotten any bites. Move to a different spot. We're gonna cast the hot dog out and see if we can get anything. That's a little trick.
Stuck on a tree.
You got it stuck on a tree. He's gonna try to catch a bass like that. He gave up on that strategy. It's starting to get a wee bit, stormy out here. As you guys can see, it's a little bit stormy. We're gonna wait till like tomorrow or so, and then we're gonna go fishing again.
One day later.
All right, it's the next day, and we're at Porter Lake. And I've heard this spot's really good, so we're just gonna cast some chicken liver out and see what we can get. Don't know if you guys can see it, but look how clear the water is. You can just see bluegill swimming. Like it's clear as day. Dude, there's a snapping turtle right there.
This guy looks like one that we're gonna eat, and he's also.
Peyton got a pretty good sized bluegill. I think he might be an eating sized one. I don't know, but
Yeah, he's pretty big.
oh, Dad got one. He is a pretty nice sized bluegill. Look at how vibrant the colors are in the daylight. Okay, there you go. Put him in there.
We're gonna eat more water. Yep, more water.
Yeah. Dang. Peyton just got another big one.
Him back.
Peyton ended up throwing that bluegill back. All right, we're about to leave. This is what we're gonna cook. We got 2 decently sized bluegill. All right, so this is really the only way I know how to humanely kill them. It doesn't sound, it's not pretty, but you have to punch them in the face or smash something on their head. So, all right, I know I just said it, but just so that YouTube doesn't take this video down, I'm gonna say it one more time. The most humane way to kill these fish is smashing something on their head or punching them in the face, because it kills them quickly, and it's a lot better than just sitting them in a cooler so they suffocate. So if you happen to be squeamish around this kind of stuff, you can look away or just skip this part. But yeah, it's not animal cruelty, it's just the most humane way to kill them. We're gonna... He's dead. And that's about as dead as it's gonna be.
One clean bam. Doesn't have to be hard. He's a bluegill. He's dead.
So we're gonna go home and we're gonna scale them and cook them. Welcome to Cooking with Lincoln. Today, we're making gill nuggets. Very inspirational name.
Works. Okay, so for the fillet, take this fin here, and lift it up, and you go right straight down until you hit his spine. There's your fillet. There's some meat. There's some meat. There's some. Right there. See what I mean?
I see some meat already.
What are we cooking?
What you think about this? Not so much? Nah. I've been able to get catfish, but this is also really good.
You're supposed to take it.
At least we got something to eat. Look at that guy.
All right, so we don't have a ton of fillets, but it's all good. So we got this seasoning. We got 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of Slap Your Mama, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and hot sauce. We're also gonna add this seasoning. So we're gonna take our fillets and put them in this flour. Now we're gonna take the seasoning, sprinkle it in here, then mix the fish in it. All right, guys, the fish is seasoned. Now we're gonna take our meat and put it in oil. That's not hot enough. I think the bluegill's about done, and we're gonna start moving it to this plate. All right, and now we're gonna put some red hot sauce. Oops. Got the bluegill, we're gonna try it. Get this big one. That's really good.
Real fishy.
Okay, that was genuinely really, really good. Next time I think we get like 7 bluegill or so it'll actually fill us up a little bit. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other ones. Like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do in the next video. Also, I made a post that the uploading schedule is a little bit wonky right now because I'm going to a 10-day camp out and I'm not gonna be bringing my phone. So I'm kind of scheduling videos to upload on the days I'm gone. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Bruh.